I had a service truck, I would drill every hole I could with the 220-volt 4-speed because it produces almost twice as much power as the 110. I would only pull out the 110 on jobs as a backup on jobs when 220-volt power is not available. Our two most popular drill stands are the 2.5-inch roller carriage on a 40-inch post and the 2 7/8-inch roller carriage on the taller 48-inch post. Cut. At 48 pounds, the 2.5-inch roller carriage drill stand is a lightweight, high-quality drill rig that's perfect for drilling holes up to 12 inches in diameter. Service holes is what I meant to say. Our 2 7/8-inch roller carriage drill stand is our top-of-the-line, heavy-duty model. Great for drilling large diameter holes and deep holes. Diamondtech's 20 horsepower hydraulic 4-speed core drill is well suited for small diameter, large diameter, and deep hole production drilling. For large diameter drilling up to 30, that's 30, not 3, but 30 inches in diameter. Come out and see us at the World of Concrete. We'll be sharing a booth with GDM Terra Diamond Central Hall, booth number 7259.